Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, we will be having an example for the mean value theorem. Okay, so we have here the polynomial x cubed minus x squared plus x plus 8 on the interval negative 3, 4. Okay, so again, pag sinabi natin na mean value theorem, kailangan natin masatisfy yung dalawang condition. Okay, so f is continuous on the closed interval a comma b, which is in this case negative 3, 4, and f is differentiable on the open interval a comma b, which in this case is again negative 3, 4. Okay? So, this is a polynomial, so sure tayo na continuous siya, and it would be differentiable. Okay? So, in this case, sure na tayo na continuous and differentiable siya. So now we would just need to look for a value for c such that f prime of c is equal to fb minus fa all over b minus a. Okay? So, paano natin gagawin yun? So, first is we need to look for f prime of x. No? So, let's take the derivative of fx. That will be equal to 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. And then yung 8 magiging 0. Okay? Then equal daw to sa f of a natin is negative 3. So this is a and this is b. So f of negative 3 minus f of 4 all over negative 3 minus 4. Okay? So ngayon, kailangan natin ma-evaluate kung ano ba yung f of 3, kung ano ba yung value ng f of negative 3 and f of negative 4. So we just plug in the value negative 3 and 4 sa ating function f of x. Okay? So copy natin yung left hand side. So 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to, pag pinag in natin negative 3 doon, this will be equal to negative 27 minus 9 minus 3 plus 8 minus 64 minus 16 plus 4 plus 8 all over negative 3 minus 4 will be equal to negative 7. Okay? So now we can just do the arithmetic. So this is 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to negative 31 minus 60 over negative 7. Okay? So if we simplify further, magiging 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 13. Okay, now we have here a quadratic equation. No? So this is a quadratic equation. So pwede natin lipat yung 13 sa left-hand side. So this will become 3x squared minus 2x minus 12 is equal to 0. So pwede natin i-try factor to and stuff, but from inspection alone, medyo halata naman na hindi siya factorable. Tama? And the best way to do this would be just the quadratic formula. No? So, quadratic formula to solve for x. No? So, that is negative b plus minus square root ng b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Tama? So, let's just plug values in. So, that is negative 2, which will become 2 plus minus square root ng b squared, that is 4 minus 4 times a, which is 3, times c, which is negative 12, all over 2a, so 2 times 3. So let's simplify this. So x would be equal to 2 plus minus 4 minus 4 times 3 times negative 12, that is 100, square root ng 148, all over 6. No? So we can simplify this. So this will become x is equal to 2 plus minus 2 square root ng 37 all over 6. No? So we can further simplify by dividing both sides by 2. Tama? So x would be equal to 1 plus square root ng 37 all over 3. So lastly, check if x is within negative 3, 4. So, we need to estimate itong square root ng 37. No? So, we can estimate square root ng 37 as something 6 point something, no? Hindi natin alam kung ano ba yung something na yun. So, this would be x is equal to 1 plus 6 point something divided by 3. So, this is around 2.3. So, pasok siya sa range ng negative 3, 4. And yung isa is 1 minus 6 point something divided by 3, which is around negative 1.6. No? So, and again, pasok siya dun sa ating range. Okay, so meaning, yung mean value theorem, we have here 2 points. So, x is equal to 2.3 and x is equal to negative 1.6. Okay? So again, mean value theorem, you just need to solve for f prime of c is equal to fb minus fa over b minus a, considering that f should be continuous and differentiable at the closed interval a comma b and open interval a comma b respectively. Okay? So, yun nga na example natin for the mean value theorem, and see you in the next video.